NutriBullet Blender Combo Review 2026. Watch before you buy. Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen, prepping and cooking meals only to have them fall flat on their taste buds? Do you struggle with getting your family to eat healthy, nutritious food because it just doesn't seem worth the hassle? But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the NutriBullet Blender Combo. This thing is a game changer. Not only does it take up way less space in my kitchen than my old blender and food processor combo, but it's also ridiculously easy to use. Therefore, if you're looking for a product that will make cooking and preparing meals faster, easier, and more enjoyable, without sacrificing any of the nutrients or flavors you're after, then keep watching because I'm about to give you the lowdown on what makes this thing tick. /N. First off, let me tell you what the NutriBullet Blender Combo is. It's essentially a high-speed blender that can handle even the toughest ingredients with ease. With its powerful 1200-watt motor and cyclonic action, it can blend everything from frozen fruit to tough nuts in seconds. But here's where things get really interesting. This thing isn't just a blender. Oh no, it also comes equipped with a number of other features that make it an absolute powerhouse in the kitchen. /N. First off, you've got your standard blender pitcher and lid, which is perfect for making smoothies, soups, and sauces. But then there's also a separate extractor bowl that allows you to make fresh nut butter, hummus, and even frozen treats like ice cream. And if that wasn't enough, the NutriBullet Blender Combo also comes with a set of 10 preset programs that take all the guesswork out of cooking and preparing meals. Whether you're making oatmeal, yogurt, or even soups, this thing will guide you through it every step of the way. /N. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive deeper into some of the key features that make this product stand out from the rest. One of the standout features of the NutriBullet Blender Combo is its ease of use. With a simple, intuitive interface and preset programs that guide you through every step of the process, even the most novice cook can become a pro in no time. /N. Another thing I love about this product is how easy it is to clean. The pitcher and extractor bowl are both dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze, no more tedious scrubbing with soap and water like you would with some other blenders on the market. But here's where things get really interesting. This thing isn't just a one-trick pony. No, sir, it's also an absolute powerhouse when it comes to blending tough ingredients. /N. Whether you're making homemade hummus or trying to break down those pesky chia seeds, the NutriBullet Blender Combo has got you covered. With its powerful 1200-watt motor and cyclonic action, it can blend even the toughest ingredients with ease, no more tedious scrubbing or sifting through. And let's not forget about the value for money. I mean, this thing is an absolute steal at its current price point of under $200. /N. But don't just take my word for it. Here are some real-life results from satisfied customers who have used the NutriBullet Blender Combo to make everything from smoothies and soups to homemade nut butter and hummus. As you can see, this thing is a total game changer in the kitchen. With its ease of use, powerful blending capabilities, and preset programs that guide you through every step of the process, not to mention its affordability, it's no wonder why so many people are turning to the NutriBullet Blender Combo as their go-to kitchen appliance. Therefore, if you're still on the fence about making a purchase, let me ask you this: what's holding you back? Don't waste another minute in the kitchen struggling with outdated appliances and tedious prep work. Get yourself a NutriBullet Blender Combo today and start enjoying the convenience, speed, and ease of use that comes with it. For the best price, click the link in the description below to get your hands on this incredible product. Trust me, you won't regret it.